Hello, little learners. I'm Jerry the Giraffe. Come with me to my veggie garden. Today, we're gonna learn about some yummy vegetables. Are you ready? Let's go. Look, what is this? It's a carrot. Carrots are orange and crunchy. Can you say?
Carrot.
Carrot.
Wow, look at these. They are tomatoes. Tomatoes are round and red. Red tomatoes are juicy and delicious.
Oh, what a funny-looking veggie. It's broccoli. Broccoli is green and looks like a tiny tree. Can you say broccoli? Broccoli. I wonder what's hiding under here. It's a potato. Potatoes grow under the ground. Here's another green veggie. It's a cucumber. Cucumbers are long, green, and nice and crunchy. Cucumber, that's fun to say. Can you guess this one? It's corn. Corn has lots of tiny yellow kernels. Yellow corn is so bright and cheerful. Corn, look at these little green peas. Peas are tiny, round, and green. They grow inside a pod. Pop, 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 peas. Whoa, this one is big.
It's a pumpkin.
Pumpkins are big, round, and orange. Can you say pumpkin?
Pumpkin. Wow, we learned so many vegetables today. Carrot, tomato, broccoli, potato.
Great job, little learners.
Yeah.
Vegetables are colorful and yummy. Keep learning, keep smiling. Bye-bye.